Russia will need 1,000 tanks and armored bulldozers to take Kyiv. Russia may not be capable of achieving its top priority in Ukraine, which is to capture Kyiv and remove the Ukrainian government, because a successful assault on the capital might require 50,000 soldiers and possibly 1,000 tanks and armoured bulldozers, former Australian Major General McRyan said. The former Director General of Training and Doctrine for the Australian Army said Russia may not have enough soldiers or the logistical resources to amass enough soldiers to capture the capital, and has switched to a plan C of demoralizing the population through long-range bombing and the destruction of infrastructure and factories. Subscribe now for more videos.